Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple but really powerful trick, how to add any website to your Microsoft Edge home screen in 2025. This way, your favorite sites are just one click away the moment you open your browser. No searching, no typing, just instant access. Stick with me because I'll guide you through step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser loads, you'll notice the home screen. This is where you'll see a search bar at the top and right beneath it, your existing website shortcuts. These are the small icons that let you quickly jump to commonly used sites. Now, to add a new website, look for the Add Shortcut button. It usually appears as a small plus icon on the far right side of your existing shortcuts. Go ahead and click on it. When you do that, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you get to customize the shortcut you're adding. You'll see two main fields. Name. Here, type in a short and clear label for your website. For example, if you're adding YouTube, just type YouTube. Keep it simple so you can quickly identify it later. URL. In this box, paste or type the full website address. Make sure it starts with HTTPS and double check for types. For example, https://youtube.com. Once you've filled both fields correctly, all that's left is to hit the Add button at the bottom of the pop-up. And that's it. The new shortcut will now appear right on your Edge home screen alongside your other saved websites. The next time you open Edge, just click the icon and you'll be taken straight to that site instantly. This is perfect for quickly accessing your most used websites, whether it's your email, work dashboard, or your favorite social platform. So there you go. A quick and easy way to customize Microsoft Edge and make your browsing way more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and drop a comment below, letting me know which website you're adding to your Edge home screen first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.